In this problem, we're trying to find the domain of the function. And so we're looking for values of x that would be allowed. And one thing to recognize, we have a radical. So as you might have seen the radicals before, like in numbers 7 and 8, the expression under the radical must be greater than or equal to 0. Now, what's different about those than this, in numbers 7 and 8, you had it in the denominator, so we could not include the 0. But in this case, we can include the 0 because it's not under the fraction bar. Did I say that wrong? It's not in a fraction, so this is in the numerator, so it can be equal to 0. In a fraction, it cannot be equal to 0 under the denominator, or in the denominator, under the fraction bar. Okay, so if we take this negative 18, the expression under the radical, minus 8x, and set it, say, greater than or equal to 0. This is what's allowed. We can add 18 to both sides. So negative 8x is greater than or equal to 18. And now we're still trying to solve for this x. We can divide by negative 8. And we have x is, when we divide it by that negative, it switches the inequality sign, is less than or equal to negative 9 over 4, which is negative 2.25 if you want that. So what we're seeing here, this is the biggest it can be. So we'll have the interval negative infinity up to negative 9/4, like that, with a bracket on the negative 9/4. And just remember, you can never have a bracket. You're never at infinity, so it would always be a parenthesis at infinity. So stress the parenthesis here. Okay, hope that helps.